Kyra and welcome back to day 4 of vlog week. Hope you guys have been enjoying the past few videos. At least I can say that you guys are very engaged to say the least with the past few videos regarding my skin and all that good stuff. To be completely honest with you guys, I haven't even been reading the comments. I read a few comments on the first video, and after that I was just like, no. And so I honestly haven't even been reading them. Glad you guys have been concerned. I do appreciate that. But as you guys can see, I am healing. Pretty much my skin is back to being clear. The only thing we have left is some little areas here. And those are pretty much where the areas that was really severely bruised and scratched up and that had scabbed up, those areas is pretty much what's left. And so the actual scabs of course have fallen off, but I do have some areas for them to keep healing for, of course, the melanin to come back in. Once those areas clear up, I will go back to normal. But you guys, I'm doing okay. I am doing okay. Now on to today's video, kind of jumping onto a high note for today's video. I want to kind of do an intro real quick because throughout the vlog I didn't really talk much I didn't really show my face in the camera much because I wanted to spare you guys from having to deal with another video of me looking crazy. So I didn't want to show my face too much because I was just like, I'm sure you guys are over it. I was over at that point. So, but it is a few days after I recorded that video. And so I wanted to let you guys know that me and Dion did a big project in our living room. I guess I'll tell you guys what we ended up doing, so I kind of talk through and explain certain pieces of it. So we actually ended up installing a fireplace. We ended up getting a custom fireplace built in the family room, and it came out so good. We both love it. Okay, so it was actually my idea, and Dion was like, he wasn't as on board as I was until he saw it. And once he saw it, even afterwards, he kept saying babe, this looks really good. I'm glad we did this. So we got a custom fireplace built in, which you guys of course will see the process of, and kind of our reactions, all that good stuff. But I did want to note that what you guys will see, you'll see that we had to buy the actual fire box separately from the actual mantle. So those are two different companies and two different purchases that we had to do. And we ended up going with an electric firebox, of course, because our house did not come equipped with the fireplace. And funny enough, me and Dion did not actually plan on getting a fireplace built in, ever. We had never ever planned on doing the fireplace. The original idea, I think that I had mentioned it whenever I did the vlog, whenever we got our couch in, is we had actually planned on getting a TV console buffet situation that actually matched the same coffee tables that we got from Restoration Hardware. And that was what we were planning on doing until about 3 weeks ago. I went to bed, but before I fell asleep, I was scrolling through Instagram and I had saw a really dope fireplace. I was like, dang, this would be so cute in our living room. But of course our house didn't come equipped with a fireplace. And so I was just like, let me just Google just to see if there's anywhere in the Houston area that provides services to install a fireplace without actually having a fireplace. And so I spent an hour doing research, and I found this place here in Houston that does the mantles. They do great work, and they pretty much have a variety of styles. They have the most traditional fireplace you can think of to the most contemporary one that you can think of. And what had actually made us really interested in it was because online it had gave us a price range as far as how much it would cost. And funny enough, you guys, it was way more affordable than we anticipated. The fireplace actually ended up being about the same cost as the buffet we were going to get. So buffet or fireplace? I'm gonna pick fireplace. Looked at some styles. The one that we ended up picking was literally, me and Dion fell in love with it the moment we saw it. We were like, ooh, this is it. This is very us. And then they custom designed our well, it wasn't really that custom. So pretty much what they just did is you picked out the style that we want, and then we more so customized the dimensions of it, because their mantles are normally made for inset boxes. So fireplaces are actually built into the wall, which of course ours is not. And we could have tried to get it built into the wall, but we have no idea what was behind our wall. So let's say we had someone come and cut a hole. Okay, well, if they come cut a hole, first of all, you stuck with the hole because again, it was a custom painted wall. And then also, like, there's no guarantee that if we do that, that it would be enough space to push the firebox all the way in there. So we're just like, let's go ahead and just custom build it around the firebox. That's what we did. And then they just came out the following week and just did the fireplace, which we love. So again, this video is more so like the process of it, kind of like seeing it all come together, our reactions, and then kind of how it all looks whenever we pull back our couch out, our rug, tables, all that kind of stuff. Only thing missing now is the TV, which we'll be adding hopefully soon, and get that mounted up on the wall. And then I feel like once that's done and we finally get the pictures hung up in the breakfast nook area, like right above the table in our kitchen, I'll feel like the space is almost complete. I'll feel more comfortable with moving on to the next project. I'm sure you guys cannot wait to see how it looks, kind of like what we did. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, give it a thumbs up at the end, and I will catch you guys in the next video. So there's the electrical fireplace that we picked out. Ooh, look at it. Okay, but how do you get the heat to work? Not the heat, but you see how right now it's on Celsius? How do you get it on Fahrenheit?
Maybe it doesn't have a Fahrenheit setting. Maybe.
Oh, it has to. Yep, we figured it out. Took us an hour and a half to get it to work. If it wasn't for the guys at Lowe's, who knows what would be going on?
Nothing. I would have figured it out because I told you.
No, because if you had knew, you would. That's not true. Because if you had knew, you would have went in there and got the screwdriver and figured it out. Did you do that? No.
No, I said I didn't have the correct tools to release the wire. Didn't I say that?
No, we had small screwdrivers in there.
I wasn't doing all that because I wasn't 100%
positive. Exactly, because you didn't know.
It's the difference from not knowing.
Y'all took us an hour and a half to figure out how to swap.
All right, this is heat. I don't think it has
wire.
a non-Celsius. I don't think it can switch to Fahrenheit. I think it's Celsius. So just
I think that it may have a. No, because in the store, whenever he used it, it was on Fahrenheit. So y'all, it took us an hour and a half to figure out how to swap out so the way it came as if we're supposed to be hardwired into the wall, but we're not hardwiring it. We actually got the fireplace, like we got a custom build out, so we won't have to put it into the wall. So we had to figure out how to swap out the hard wire with the plug-in wire, and it took us an hour and a half. I think it's called the fireplace. No, the power button.
I just tried that, it didn't work. So that's why I tried that one. This heat. Now it says it said it has to be on, right?
Yeah, but that's.
I'm doing the same thing you're doing.
Pressing the temperature button adjusts the heater's response
to the ambient temperature conditions in the room. Temperature adjustment Celsius. Power button must be on. What did you do?
I just pulled the arrow.
Oh, don't do that. Do the
That's
power
not what
button.
I said. I said maybe you should do the power button. Yes, I did.
Exactly.
We figured it out. it's looking so good. I told Dion like this came out so much better than I planned. I knew it was gonna look nice, but this looks
like this. I told you.
That's a lie. That's not what he said. But oh my, like it looks like it was like the house came with it. It looks so good. So good. So all I have to do is just put this piece right here in the front to cover up those little holes or those little silver pieces. And then we have ourselves a fireplace. So what you think?
Oh my God, it's good.
I hate you. But just, no, we can't lie though. This looks so, like, even like just the design, it's like super modern, like contemporary. It goes with the vibe of the house. Oh, it's so nice. Babe, you can't lie. It looks really good. I told Dion that it came out, like it looks way better. Well, you don't have to, but it looks cleaner when you mount it. We're trying to figure out how to, as far as the TV goes. But no lie, you guys, it like literally, it looks so good. Y'all, look at the vibe. Whatever, you don't do nothing.
Sure.
Y'all, look at the vibe. Oh, it looks so good. It literally looks so good. And then just imagine a 75-inch TV up there. It is going to, y'all, this is, I just like this is such, let me go up here real quick. I just like it's such a vibe. Like, just look. Ignore the trash over there. But, so there's a living room area, a fireplace. It looks so good. I am so obsessed with it. And I keep telling Dion like how much I love this house, but like now I really love this house. Doesn't it look like the fireplace came with the house? Like it looks like it was built with the house. Like you can't tell that it's an add-on at all. And that's what I'm happy about. And then also this stone that they used, it goes perfectly with all the tones. Like you have those taupe tones, those gray tones, the brass tones, brown, black. This looks so good. Even the rug, it just looks perfect. Okay. No, I'm sorry. Okay, y'all. No, but seriously, it looks perfect. So I am a very, 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 very happy wife.